Creating an outreach space in WolfWare is easy and only takes a minute. After logging into your WolfWare account, click on the Outreach tab on the My WolfWare page. You should then see a button labeled Create Outreach Space directly under the row of tabs. If you don't see this button, please contact LearnTech so we can properly set your WolfWare permissions. Click the Create Outreach Space button. This is where you'll create your outreach space. If the space you're creating will be owned by another user, simply enter that user's Unity ID in the Choose Space Owner form and click the Choose Outreach Space Owner button. You should see the ownership information for the new space update in the gray box directly beneath the form. If you will be owning this outreach space, simply disregard the Choose Space Owner form and review your user data in the gray box to ensure it is correct. In the Outreach Category drop-down selector, you should see your department's category listed. Again, if you don't see your department listed, please contact LearnTech. Select your department from the list. After selecting your department, the first portion of the Outreach Course ID will appear in front of the Course Identifier field. This prefix will be automatically added to the course ID you enter into this field. The course ID you enter should follow your department's agreed-upon course naming convention for both Reporter and Moodle Outreach. As you type the course ID, any spaces or non-alphanumeric characters will be automatically replaced with dashes, since the course ID is used to link the course with Reporter and is not used as the displayed course name. Finally, enter a short name and full name for the course in the remaining fields. The full name should be the displayed title of the course, while the short name can be a brief, shortened version of the full name. Again, check with your department for any agreed-upon course naming conventions. Click the Create Outreach Space button at the bottom of the screen and your new outreach space has been queued to be created within 10 or 15 minutes. To verify, go back to your My WolfWare screen and click once again on the Outreach tab. You should then see your new space listed below.